This is a tweet that came in from Danny, Wisconsin. Look at her shower stall.
Yeah, it's kind of nasty. What are we talking? Soap scum?
Nope.
Cleaning products. Using the wrong ones.
No. She's actually on a well, so I think what she's got is rust, and that's from iron that comes up.
Okay.
Now, water is the universal solvent. If it goes by iron ore down in the ground, it can bring it into the water, into the house, and then you get rust.
Right.
They make all sorts of cleaning chemicals like this. You can spray them on. I haven't found these to be all that effective. What I actually find works great is vinegar and water or bleach.
Nice, okay.
You can also try to keep the iron out of the house, and they make all sorts of filters like this. There's a little local filter here. This is a whole house cartridge filter.
Right.
They're going to have something like this inside it. Look at this. This is a brand new clean cartridge, and this is about a month in on an iron filter cartridge.
That is kind of nasty, and after just 1 month, right?
That's right.
So that's
Now,
just full of rust?
Right. It's important to mention that this is not dangerous. Iron is not dangerous. It's just cosmetic only. It just makes it look like that.